Use data wisely. Is this also you, anak? Alam mo, I used to think that as long as you have records, you're good. But I realized na sayang ang effort kung hindi mo ginagamit ang data para mapaganda ang negosyo mo. Kaya I started reading and learning how to use data effectively. Noong una, overwhelming kasi parang ang daming kailangang intindihin. Pero unti-unti kong na-apply. And minsan, tayo rin ang dahilan kung bakit nasasayang ang data sa negosyo. We just collect the information but we don't know what to do next, right? So you don't need to be a data analyst to make the most out of the data that you have. What's important, marunong kang magtanong, what are these numbers telling me? For example, when I looked at my sales data, I noticed that some products always sell well during the weekends. Kaya I focused on promos during those days. From the feedback of customers, nakita ko kung ano ang dapat kong i-improve para mas bumalik sila. Don't ignore the data that you have. Start with the basics. Review your sales report or customer feedback. Kasi kung hindi, sayang. Alamin kung anong patterns ang makakatulong sa negosyo mo. At kapag marunong kang magbasa at mag-interpret ng data, makakagawa ka ng smarter decisions na magdadala sa negosyo mo to the next level. Kaya tandaan, anak, be business-minded, Pinoy.